Can you tell me a bit about the logic of classification of the objects of this room, this ethnographic collection?
So there is two logic of classification. The first one is with the accession number. As you can see, it always starts with a letter, and then it's a dot, and then we have 2 0, and then numbers.
Okay.
So here, this one starts with an A. This is a knife, because all the knives start with an A.
Okay.
Here, for instance, if you can move. Here, for instance, you have musical instruments, and it starts with a K.
Okay.
Okay. So this is one logic that has been input ages ago. I don't know exactly when, to be honest. And so sometimes you don't exactly understand this classification, but at least it exists.
Okay.
Yeah. And the second logic of classification is the occupation of space, basically. As you can see around you, we have a very small room. So, of course, this is an issue. And this is also the reason why we don't have a total logic in the organization of the object in the room, because when something is big, it's big, it doesn't fit in the shelf, so we have to put it where it fits. So it's very simple, but nevertheless, we have some big zones. I would say that this one is ceramics, and mainly from South America. And you also have musical instruments like violin and drums, but as you can see, it's not the only thing that you have in these shelves. You also have some sculptures, some tools. Where you are now, starting from 12, so on the left here, it's mainly weaponry, knives and tool, mainly, and some musical instrument as well. You're going to go on, you're going to see some weaponry, and behind the weaponry you have basketries and sculptures and some ceramics. And if you go on turning on the right, this part is more mixed, but you have ornaments, sculptures, and some weaponry as well, and day-to-day objects.
Okay.
And at the back of the room here, you have a lot of shields and weaponry. You do have also masks, the big one that doesn't fit anywhere, and you have also the big basketries and big musical instruments. And at the top cabinet, and on the right here, you have all the textiles here, and also at the back cabinets, which are down here.
Okay.
Okay, and we have at the far end on the right of the room, you have the pictures collection, the photo collection.